Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to fix Kia Rio door lock. Start by disconnecting the battery, removing the inner door panel, and locating the lock actuator and linkage. Check the wiring harness for corrosion and test the actuator with a 12V supply if available. Inspect the latch assembly for bent rods or broken clips and lubricate pivot points with white lithium grease. Reassemble carefully, test lock operation, and adjust linkage if necessary. Begin by locking and unlocking while listening for the actuator. A silent click often means electrical trouble, while grinding or no movement suggests mechanical faults. Use a multimeter to check for 12V at the actuator connector when operating the switch. Wiggle the wiring harness to find intermittent faults and visually inspect connectors for corrosion. Document which side and symptom appear so you replace the correct part and avoid extra labor or parts purchases. After removing the panel, disconnect the actuator and test it off the car with 12V to confirm failure before buying parts. Replace the faulty actuator or realign bent rods and swap out broken clips for firm engagement. Apply grease to latch pivots and slide mechanisms, then cycle locks with the door open to check smooth motion. Reconnect the battery, verify remote and manual functions, and reinstall the panel using the magnetic tray for screws.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.